welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set automatic savings with Digit. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set automatic savings with Digit, you can simply get logged in into your Digit account. Once you have logged in into your Digit account, you need to now link your bank. Connect your checking account to the Digit app and create a saving goal. Define what are your savings for, such as a down payment or new car, and set up your saving strategies. Digit will automatically analyze your income and spending. It will then transfer a small calculated amount to your Digit saving account when it determines you can afford it. You can also adjust the level of automation in the app itself and then regularly check your progress and make any adjustment needs to your saving strategy within the app. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.